I guess received this dinnerware set for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it's really complete set. It comes with 4 like cereal bowls, 4 big plates, and 4 medium plates, which I think it's really nice. Let's take it out of the box. In here we got the big and medium plate, which I think it's really nice. And in this other set box, they come the bowls. Okay, as you can see, they are really nice. All the plates have a minimalist design, which I find quite nice, and I like a lot the color. It's really beautiful. And as you can see, all the plates look really beautiful together. It's a really nice set. I like it a lot. All the plates feel of a really nice quality. And overall, this ceramic dinnerware set is really nice. I like it a lot because it even is lead free, so you can eat safely from this dinnerware set, and it's oven and dishwasher safe, which makes it really convenient to clean your plates and easier to take care of them. Overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend them. See you guys!